Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Discord account. What you need to do, first go to Discord and then click here user setting and then click edit. You can choose either delete account or disable account. I click here delete account and then click here delete account. I don't want to delete my account. Anyway, just click again delete account. This is what you need to do. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions or idea or suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you.